Hey, what's happening guys? This is your boy Tech Tricks with another unboxing video. Here we go guys, with the smiley face from Amazon. The fun stuff begins. Use my magical hands here. Here we go, what's in here? Let's take a look at... Oh yes, this is the LED photo video fill light from NEEWER. Not newer. It's NEEWER. Best Light LED 204 multifunctional LED. This looks great guys. Been waiting for this so that my videos are not completely dark. Some literature. Throw that away. Some extra stuff. Plastic. Throw that away. And this is it. This is the light, and it's the shoe for it that you can mount it on your camera. Let me just focus up here, and this is the light. Throw that away. We got this shoe, and you just screw it on like a tripod mount. It's not that bad. This backside shows off the knob. There's some external battery if you have one. There's also a DC input. And then you just screw this in on the bottom like a tripod mount. There you go. You can swivel it. Hopefully this stands. It has this front with amber look, magnetic. It sticks on no problem. It also has this soft light part, and you still have the soft light feel to it. There, it looks premium. A nice build, plastic back, but overall it's a nice premium build. Now this was $41.74 from Amazon. Came in like 2 days. Has great reviews. These two buttons, it'll show the part where you can put all your AA batteries. You need about 6 of them. Here we go. You can also buy external battery. You need to hold this button and the knob adjusts to the brightness. This light is nice if you're in a budget. It won't break the bank. Here we go, let's try it on. Oh yeah, that's bright. It's nice how you could adjust it the way you need it. This is very useful for making unboxing videos like this one, and also doing reviews. This is very bright, as you can see. And then you can put this soft light filter, and also you could put on top of that is the amber. Very nice look. That's it for today guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the comments below. Peace. Now let's try it on.